Hello and welcome back to the SKUSavvy YouTube channel where we are demystifying the complexities of everyday e-commerce fulfillment and inventory management. In this short tutorial series, we're going to go through the Shopify connection and generally how it works with the SKUSavvy system. So if you haven't already, be sure to grab your free SKUSavvy account, SKUSavvy.com/register. And you can get an account there. And here we're inside the account, and we're going to go ahead and sync up, or we've already got our Shopify store synced up here. The first thing we're going to talk about is your locations. So locations, when you connect with Shopify, will come over as warehouses within the SKUSavvy system. And you'll see those warehouses connected, indicated by the Shopify store that it is currently connected with, or multiple Shopify stores if you are in fact connecting to multiple stores. So if you have connected your storefronts, you may have noticed also that during step 4 of the connection, you'll see that you can reuse an existing warehouse location. So if you have already created a warehouse and then you're connecting your Shopify store, you'll be able to reuse this location, which will show up here. Once you have those stores in, the warehouse is created. Let's just say that you have a new storefront that's been created, or you have created a new warehouse location and you want to resync that. So what we're going to do is just go over to add locations, and you'll see here that I have a new location that I have yet to import. So when I click on import, this is going to bring up the information on that warehouse location, and we can edit this, or in this case, we're creating a new location, but we could also just go ahead and select an existing warehouse if we've already created that. And that's going to draw in your new warehouse location. So a couple of other things about your warehouse locations: all of the orders that come in across inbound, outbound, and transfer orders will go to a particular location that Shopify has determined based on your order routing rules within Shopify. Additionally, the warehouse locations, when you have those orders, you'll see that they may be split across multiple. And when we go to create the order, you're always going to be creating the order for a given location, and that's going to track directly to that location when it comes in. And all of the information pertaining to a customer order will be updated back to that location. So for instance, if we have a split fulfillment across 2 different warehouses that we're fulfilling from, that order will be updated back to Shopify, and the individual shipments at each location will be updated accordingly. So that's it for this quick video on the locations import. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos where we're going to be going through the product import and where you should be entering new products, what information will get updated automatically, as well as the inventory import and sync, which will help you uncover how to deal with inventory, where it should be entered, and how that's going to affect your Shopify store, and then of course orders. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for tuning in. We always appreciate your support on the channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already.